All right, I have unplugged the battery, let it sit, and plugged it back in. This car is not good.